Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this week I actually am so excited for this video. I actually got a package from Lola's Lashes and let's open it up and see what's in there. I got a goodie bag and in it was some tools, an eyelash curler. I've got some lash appliers and it's got the little logo right here. How cute is that? And then also some scissors. I've got this paper, I Am Magnetic, and it tells you all about the magnetic lashes and liner system. Little informative paper with it. And then what we've got here is the magnetic lash kit. So this is the Amber magnetic lash kit. This kit contains the lashes, the magnetic eyeliner, and the magnetic eyeliner cleanser. So it's an easy removal process too. So when you open it up, it's so adorable. It says fuss-free falsies, and then it's got your steps to apply. Step 1, make sure everything's clean. Trim your magnetic lashes. Step 2, wipe excess eyeliner from the applicator, then apply. Step 3, apply the lashes starting with the outer corners, then lightly pressing along the lash line, securing the magnets in place. And step 4 is when removing your lashes slowly. Detach slowly from the outer corners. Use your magnetic eyeliner cleansing oil with a cotton pad to gently remove the eyeliner from your eyelid. This is so cute. It's got the little instructions right on it. And look at how fancy this looks right here. Loving it. Okay. So I've got the black eyeliner. This is the cleansing oil. And here are the lashes, which I'm most excited about. So let's open up. Okay. I see you. This is what their lashes look like. Each lash has 5 magnets on it, and these are the really full and wispy look. So I'm excited for that. Here's the bottle for the liner. Let's just open it up and see how it looks. There's a faint smell to it, which isn't bad. It just smells like how regular eyeliner would smell. Oh, and the cutest little cleansing oil bottle. Look at that, so cute. Okay, so now let's get to the part that we've all been waiting for, right? The application. So I'm gonna take out these. I've never used these, not regular tweezers to put on your lashes, but I'm going to use them today. Let's first of all see how it looks with my eye. I could probably, personally, I'm gonna trim it just because it's a little bit bigger than my eye. So I've always been hesitant about trimming magnetic lashes. Because you gotta trim the magnet part off, which is scary. So I trimmed it. That is my shape for sure. Okay, so I'll set that down. Let me just trim the other side and we will keep going. Something that's kind of hard here is when I try to trim, the magnets is sticking to the scissors. Okay, I'm gonna apply eyeliner just like I normally would on top of my eyelashes right here. Okay, but first of all, can we stop and just look? Look at these eyelashes. Okay, next. Oh, let me look at the steps, make sure I'm following them correctly. Step 1 is clean, free from any oil. I already have makeup on for today, so I think my eyelashes are a good base. Step 2, wipe excess eyeliner from the applicator, then apply a layer of magnetic liner to your lash line and allow it to dry completely. Dry test. Pat your finger on the eyeline to see if any eyeliner comes off. If any eyeliner comes off, it isn't dry enough. I think I got it. Okay, so we've got some heavy eyeliner here. I think that should be good enough. And then I'm gonna let it dry and we will apply the lashes. All right, so I'm touching it, and nothing is coming up. Okay, so a little bit on this side. So I'm gonna start with this one. All right, wow. I feel like the hold is pretty good. I feel like this end keeps wanting to come up, but I think that's my bad. I got some glue on my actual eyelash, and so I think it's trying to stick to that instead of my lid. But the hold feels strong. It feels really strong. I'm really impressed. Okay. These eyelashes are humongous. What do you guys think? They're cute, huh? Okay. They're definitely the biggest pair of eyelashes that I have ever worn personally. But I'm liking them. I'm liking them a lot. So, first impression, it was very easy to put it on, the eyeliner. As long as you're putting eyeliner on normally, just do it normally. Even if you wanted, you could wing it out like a normal eyeliner. Personally, I would start when your eyelashes don't already have mascara on, because it's just going to be easier to apply the liner. But these, they didn't snap right on, but they like stuck. You know, they're stuck. They're good. They're really good. I'm really impressed so far. I'm going to wear them. I'm going to run a few errands. I'm going to wear them around, see how it works. And then I will come back and do the removal and final thoughts. All right, so it has been about 6 hours. I didn't do much, but I definitely put them to the test. My eye has been watering kind of all day, and the corner, it kind of like took off some of the liner. So the corner of this lash is coming up, but this side has been stuck on really well. And besides that corner, like everything is just seems to be holding tight. So we're gonna go through the removal process, and then we will list some pros and cons and go from there. So the removal process is step 4 on here, and it says, when removing, detach your lashes slowly from the outer corners. Use your magnetic eyeliner cleansing oil, which it comes with in the kit. With a cotton pad to gently remove the eyeliner from your eyelid, use a cotton bud, which I'm assuming is a Q-tip. Use it in a rolling motion to wipe up any remnants of the eyeliner. After each use, clean the magnets of your false lashes with an oil-free cleanser and cotton bud. Place the lashes back into the tray and maintain the lash strip. So they give the cleansing oil, which is what I'm going to be using for my lids, and then it recommends an oil-free one for your lashes. I'm just going to be using my micellar water for it. So step 1, we're just going to remove. And coming off was very easy. And you want to take a look at the lash itself. There's not a lot of remnants on there, but you can see some of the glue on there still. So I'm just going to put that down. And then the other side. Very easy. Didn't feel any tugging on my real eyelashes, so that's a huge, huge plus. Giving says I'm trying to grow mine out as long as I can and for, you know, just to make them good. So we're gonna try out this oil. I don't smell anything. It seems like it's fragrance free, which is always a plus because your eyes are sensitive. Okay, so I've got it pretty saturated. Look how dirty that is. I'm gonna have to go for the other side already. So I'm gonna put some on my cotton round and hopefully that'll just pick up the rest of the product on my face. Okay, so there's definitely still product around the base of my eyelashes, which is kind of concerning because I'd have to scrub at them pretty hard to get the rest of it off, and you know scrubbing at your eyelashes is really bad for them when they're delicate. So I'm gonna try this eye with my regular eye makeup remover oil, which is Tatcha. So trying to give it a fair shot for both. So for the other oil, I use both sides of the Q-tip. So for this one, I'm gonna use both sides of the Q-tip. Okay, so this is with my Tatcha oil removal, and this is with the Lola Lashes cleansing oil. They both pretty much did the same thing. I think the Tatcha did a little bit better of a job, but it really compared nicely to my Tatcha oil. For my pros and cons for the lashes and the wear, my pros is that the application was very easy. For being a magnetic lash, it had a very good hold. I was not worried about the lashes falling off in the type of activities that I was doing, so that's a plus. They're very pretty. They come in so many different sizes, so many different styles, so you have a good selection there. And this kit that comes with the lashes, the liner, and the cleansing oil is only $45, which is a really good deal. So those are the pros. The cons is when I teared up a little bit, the liner kind of went away and it loosened the eyelash, and since the falsies are dependent on the liners, it came up and I wasn't able to fix it without the liner. So I guess my second con is that when you wear magnetic lashes, you have to use the liner with it, but that kind of limits your makeup looks, the makeup styles that you could do. You can't really wear you can't wear your magnetic lashes with a more natural look when you want to go like without eyeliner. So that's just something to be aware of. But overall, I really enjoyed these. I would definitely say that I could wear them on a daily basis, like to work and stuff, and I wouldn't be worried about them falling off, worried about them coming loose. I would have to take the liner with me just in case, but I would have to have more practice with it. So yeah. I want to say thank you to Lola's Lashes for sending me this kit. I had so much fun trying them out and I'm looking forward to wearing them. If you guys want to purchase these ones or ones like them, the link will be down in my description. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.